Hi folks, I'm Florian from iProcess and welcome to 2-Minute Automotive Tech Insights. Today we are talking about regression testing, an important part of any software test strategy. Though you might be familiar with the term, stick around for some advice on how to approach an efficient regression test strategy. So first thing, what is regression testing? In simple terms, it's about making sure that when new software is released, you haven't accidentally broken something that was working before. If your change has introduced an unexpected effect to the system, this is called a regression. Sounds simple, right? But the complexity of modern automotive systems is the big challenge. Running entire large test suites with every release or even every build is both time-consuming and ineffective. In order to support the required agile pace in software development, you need to create a smart regression test suite that is only a fraction of the whole. So, how do we choose which tests to run? Well, it's all about efficiency and coverage. Here's the approach. Pick a representative test for each feature or function in your system and add it to your regression suite. The goal is to confirm that these features are functioning correctly in general. Keep efficiency in mind. Pick a test case that gives you the most complete picture in the smallest amount of time with the least effort. For example, if you have a shutdown mechanism that can be triggered by a dozen inputs, pick the easiest one to run to prove that the mechanism is working. Once you have collected a representative test for each of your functions or features, you have your base regression test suite. This should ideally run with every build and should have a duration measured in minutes or hours, not days or weeks. Of course, targeted testing around the actual changes based on impact analysis has to be performed as well in parallel to the regression tests. During early feature development, it is strongly recommended to run the base regression test suite over feature branches on a regular basis to catch integration issues early on. Usually developers are strongly focused on their changes, and unnoticed regressions could linger around for a while before the branch merge. This is a good opportunity to shift left. That's it for today. Keep exploring, stay curious, and keep driving innovation. See you next time.